Not every topic is suitable for research. Here are 5 characteristics of a good research topic. Clear and specific. A good topic should clearly state what you want to investigate. Avoid vague or ambiguous topics. For example, health problems among students is an example of a poor research topic. It is neither clear nor specific, as it does not tell us the kind of health problems or the type of students to be studied. But this topic, knowledge and prevention of malaria among undergraduate students in Abia State University, Uturu, is clear and specific. It tells us the specific type of health problem to be studied, its exact target population, and the exact areas to be studied. So as you can see, it's not vague. 2. Relevant. Your research topic should address an important issue within your field of study and contribute useful knowledge. You should ask, does the topic solve a problem? Is it important to society? Will the findings be useful? 3. Feasible. The study should be achievable within available resources, time, and budget. Avoid topics that require excessive funding, specialized equipment, or inaccessible populations, especially if you are a student. Of course, this does not apply to you if you have external funding, such as a grant or sponsor for your research. 4. Researchable. A good topic must be capable of being investigated using scientific methods. Data should be obtainable through questionnaires, interviews, observations, records. 5. Original. Although research may build upon previous studies, it should contribute something new. Are you struggling with your research project? Don't worry, this book makes it super easy. Forget all the sleepless nights. Learn the step-by-step secrets to success. You can definitely do this. Get your own copy today and succeed.